Everybody loves an open floor plan. Okay, maybe not everybody, but most people these days. Personally, I like walls. If you've been married for any length of time, you'll learn to love walls. Let's say your wife throws out your favorite t-shirt or hot sauce, and I do have a hot sauce story, but we'll stick to the t-shirt for now. So it has some holes and maybe the neck is literally hanging on by a thread. Still, that's a shirt you wore when you dropped 20 in a basketball game against a team that always beat you. It may even be the shirt you were wearing when you met your wife, probably before the holes. You felt really lucky then, but now you want some space. If there are no walls, where you gonna go? To the other side of the room? And in this corner, that's my feeling. But the HGTV crowd wants an open floor plan. I love the shows when they just talk about removing walls. Then they show the homeowner with a sledgehammer, hard hat, and safety glasses banging on the wall. Nobody talks about the architectural plans that are required to size the support beam, the plan review and approval from the building department. Not to mention transferring the load to the basement, which sometimes requires new concrete footings. It can certainly be a process. I've read blog posts that said you can't remove some walls. Not true. With proper planning and expense, you can remove any wall in the house.
Get that on YouTube.
Do yourself a favor and consult with the structural engineer or architect, unless you have a really smart contractor. Truth is, many contractors are not that bright. They just don't know. They will talk you out of it because it's over their heads, or they will remove the wall and have your ceiling sagging. That big bedroom furniture upstairs will soon be removed the hard way. Check out my blog at gocapco.com for more information.